Today, I ended up taking 25% of my UNH shares off the table, ended up closing out $4,700 in profits, and I am still holding 300 of the 400 shares. So I still think that UNH is going to continue to break out. I still think that we're going to hit $500 within the next couple of months. But I want to share with you very quickly why I took some profits off and why I would not be surprised if price rejects. Now, the reason that we ended up entering this position in the first place is because price action was trading within our weekly smart money zone. Smart money zone occurs when price pulls back nearly 80% of the upside bullish structure. If you want to learn how to draw these indicators and actually get access to all of my indicators, the link to my entire trading system is completely free down in the description. And you should probably start with the BX Trender and then move your way into the Smart Money Mastery course to find your smart money zones and also download and get access to the volume profile indicator. Now, in most cases, when price is trading inside of the smart money zone, this is going to be the low of the pullback. This is normally going to be where institutions step in because the stock is extremely exhausted and price action is normally going to bottom. We've seen this recently with Robinhood. We've seen this recently with AMD. We've seen this recently with Reddit, which I'm still in and up about 65%. And we've also seen this recently with FSLR. As soon as price came into this smart money zone for a second time, we bounced nearly 31%. Now, the reason I ended up closing my shares is very simply because of this volume block on the volume profile right here between $300 to $320. These thick areas of volume on the volume profile tend to act as major supports and major resistances. So if we are going to reject short term, this is exactly where it is going to be. Now, if this doesn't reject and price just pushes right through it, then this thin area of volume on the volume profile that you see, this will fill and this will break out just as fast as this sell-off was. So this sold off 44% within about 2 months. This breakout of about 50% would probably happen within 2 to 3 months. So that's why I kept the bulk of my position on, because I want to be a part of that breakout to the upside. Now, the reason I took 25% off is because if we reject, as we said, it's going to be right here. So worst case scenario for me, we break out 50% and I still make a 50% return on close to $100,000 in shares. So I'll still make another $50,000 in profits, which I'm very happy with. But if best case scenario happens for me, price rejects, price fills this gap to the downside, so we drop another 10 to 11%, and then I get to average in again with the shares that I just took off. Now, you have to also understand that if price were to reject here and price were to fill that gap, X and everybody on financial Twitter or whatever you want to call it, they're going to go nuts. They're going to think it was a massive trap. They're going to think that the sky's falling and everything's done, when in reality, it's just another area for institutions to load back up. And for those of you who are purely pattern traders, you will notice that this setup here is a potential inverted head and shoulders pattern where price could easily pull its way back, fill the gap, then go for that massive breakout. So I'm still very bullish on UNH. I still feel really good about this, but I just wanted to reduce some risk since the stock broke out so quickly. If it pulls back, I'll average down. If not, we will ride this to Valhalla. If you want to get access to my entire trading system that made me spot this entry on UNH, go ahead and check out our free masterclass series in the description. It's a completely proven system with no fluffs, no gimmicks, no credit card, no BS. You can get access to all of them for a limited time just by using the links in the description. You'll get access to everything within our system, step by step, teaching you not just our indicators, how we find entries and exits, but also how to manage your position sizing, how to become a disciplined trader, how to trade options responsibly. The link to our system will be down in the description.